guys, and welcome back to Single Mom Space. Single Mom Space is not about your kids, it's about you, the single parent. So today's video is going to be all about decluttering. Yes, we have to declutter our lives. Declutter, especially when you are dealing with either a breakup, new divorce, or whatever the case may be. You need to declutter. You need to go through those things that you normally would never go through and throw them away. It's time. For me, it was toys for my son. My son is 11. I have toys since he was born. Why? I have no idea. Am I going to have more kids? Probably not. And if I did have more kids, they wouldn't want to be playing with those toys. Here's the thing. Get rid of them. Call it a day. Throw them out. Those spices that you bought from the store for that one recipe that you never used again because it tastes bad and it was disgusting, and you were like, you know what? I'll never use this spice again, but you keep it in your cupboard because you're like, maybe somebody else will want it. But you never offer it to anybody because you're not that evil. Right? You're not that evil. Or you probably just didn't know how to use it. Yeah. Get rid of it. It's gone. It's over. That dress that you bought and you were like, oh my god, in the store it looks incredible on me. But then you put it on and you're like, damn, I look like a whale. Get rid of it. Call it a day. Those shoes, I know those shoes. I bought 2 pairs of shoes. Yo, those still hurts me, okay? Those shoes hurt me. I bought 2 pairs of shoes. It was like $150 each pair of shoes. And they hurt. They hurt so badly. I cannot wear them anywhere. If I wanted to wear them, I would literally have to be sitting the whole time. But can I get rid of them? No, because I feel bad. Because I can't sell them for $150. So I just lost it. I lost $300. But they're in my closet. And I want to get rid of them. And I'm going to. After this video, I'm going to throw them away. No. I'm going to give them to somebody. I'm going to give them away. Okay? So, like you, I'm decluttering. Declutter. It makes you feel better. It gives you some room. It does help you get over some stuff. Because somebody, I don't know who I'm talking to, but somebody is going through some stuff. So, decluttering and like cleaning up, it's almost like you're getting a hold on your life again. Anyways, that's my video for this week. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on other social medias.